Preparing soy noodles is a great way to give a twist to your usually boiled noodles. The results are on point, very delicious, and will definitely leave you licking your plate. This is my number one dish that you must try this Valentine's. I'm Hannah Wangoi Hencha and welcome back to my channel. You will need 1 packet of noodles, 1 Julienne carrots, meaning they have been cut into thin stripes, 1 sliced onion, some spring onions, 4 to 5 stems, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, some cold water, and of course your soy sauce. Dark or light, use 2 to 3 tablespoons. We'll start off by boiling our noodles. I believe 90% of us have made noodles before, and what we basically do is just boil them. I'm using chicken flavor, but you can use any flavor of your choice. When it comes to adding your bumbu sauce, you can choose to add half of it if you want it less spicy, but in my case I will use all of it because I like my noodles spicy. Now when boiling our noodles, we have to keep in mind that we are going to cook them again. What we'll do is make sure our noodles are cooked but not overcooked, such that they'll be able to stand without getting mushy when we are frying them. Test if they are cooked by running your fork through gently. Let the fork do the job. If you apply too much pressure on your fork, you'll end up with wrong results. The next thing we do is drain the water in a cup, so we'll use it when we are frying. From there, we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil in a saucepan. Then we'll add our onions and stir fry them till glossy. We don't want to brown our onions because we are going to add our carrots. We know that carrots are crunchy and therefore do take time to be tender. If we brown our onions before adding our carrots, we might end up with burnt onions, and we don't want that. As soon as our onions become glossy, we'll add our chopped spring onions and julienne carrots. Give the mixture a very good stir, then add some little water just to allow the carrots to cook inside. When the water dries up, keep stirring and don't be tempted to add more water. We are looking to fry our ingredients and not to boil them. So we'll stir our carrots till they start to look nice and brown. Notice that we don't season our ingredients since our noodles have bumbu sauce, which is very spicy. The next step is adding our noodles. At this point, keep the water we had earlier drained from the noodles close. This is because the noodles will begin to stick to our saucepan, and as soon as we notice it starting to stick, we'll add our water and stir. Lift your noodles up so they mix very well. We'll then add our soy sauce, which is our main ingredient. 2 to 3 tablespoons will do. You can now turn down your heat and give your noodles a very nice stir. Our noodles are done. Yay! We'll transfer them to a plate and drizzle some chopped coriander leaves. As you have seen, the process is really simple and you have to try this at home, if possible today, if possible right now. You will surely lick your saucepan, trust me. Thank you for watching, guys. This is the channel where we help you discover new and exciting recipes and help you unlock your creativity. Goodbye, and let's meet in the next one.